Hey guys, today we're building a Lego phone holder. So this is a good build because it's quite simple and you can modify it however you want. So it has this piece at the back that folds down. It uses click hinges, and that way if you want your phone to tilt back more or have more stability, you have that better option there. So that is what we'll be building today. Let's go to the build. Okay, so these are the parts you'll need for the phone holder. So I've separated it into two parts. I've got the base and the click hinge / backing. So for the base, what you'll need to do is, these are the pieces that I use for the base, but you could use any piece that will substitute for it. So what you need to do is you need to grab these 1x4 with weird 2 studs at the end. Then that goes on like that, and then you just put to get 2 of them on the ends, and then you repeat that 4 times. Okay, there we go, we have our base. So now what you'll need is this is a 2x8 plate. Then you'll need a 2x4 plate tile. That will then go 2 studs from each end, like that. Then you'll need to grab all of these pieces you made earlier and then stick them on those open studs like that. So now that you've done that, you have your nearly finished base. Then what you'll need is some 1x2 plates and some 1x2 tiles. Then they will go on top of that, and then that goes on top of one of those open studs. Then you just repeat that. So now you have those 2 at the front. You now need to put these 2 grills on the back, back 2 sets of studs like that. Then what you'll need is to place these 2 plates right about there, both sides like that. So now we're on to the second stage. So I have these 1x2x5s, and they will go on the side where you have the one grill like that, and then you just need to put 2 of them on like that. So now you could just leave it like that, and that would work quite well. But if you wanted to have it so it's a bit more adjustable and more sturdy, especially if you've got a heavier phone, then I recommend doing the second part. So what you need is these 2x2 click hinges. So they what is going to help angle it. Then you'll need 2 of them. Then you need some 2x4 plates. Then they will go onto that extra stud like that. Then you'll need 2 2x2s or 1 2x4, and then they go under that overhanging tile. Then you'll need another 2x4, and then that goes over like that, so you have an overlapping kind of effect. Then I use these just to smooth out the edge. It's a 2x2 underslope, so that just goes, you just need 2 of them, chuck them there. Then what you do is you can put that to the side. You grab these they're a 1x2 with click hinge in the female one. They go onto those studs right next to the 1x2s we put on earlier. Then this just clips in like this, and you have your phone holder. So that is your phone holder. If there's anything you would like me to make on this channel that I haven't yet made, just comment below what you would like me to make. But remember, like, subscribe, stay tuned. Great, bye.